Morning, it's Rich from the Motorcycle Garage. Sorry not been many videos. Just to let you know, I've at last got to changing the air filters in the Ducati 999S, and thank goodness. I don't think it's been done for some years. That's just the intake, of course that goes on there. And there's 3 bolts that take that off. As you can see in there, there's the intake, and there's the side piece. It just bolts with 3. Just in case you were thinking of doing that, same, that just slots in here and in there. Okay, there's a bolt there. Right, so that's taken off. If you've got to take all the front off first, the mirrors and things. So I take it out, and this is what we're looking at. Look, I mean, I don't think that's been done for some time. And hopefully you can get the impression that it's totally thick with, let's try and improve the light somewhat. There's some on it. Yeah, lovely, eh? Yeah, anyway, looks good on the outside. Nothing's got through, but obviously I reckon that's causing a bit of breathing issues. I wonder if it's running a bit rich. So, I assume the other one will be the same. I haven't got to that yet, the other side. But yeah, so changing over with the DNAs, other ones are available, of course, bypass, etc. It looks a bit different inside the new one. Yeah, so there we go. Yeah, so it definitely deserves one of those. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay. So basically this goes in here the right way around. Right, show you key. Okay. Then goes in there like that. The right way around, I'll get it right way around in a minute. Also notice there's a screw loose just there somewhere, which I saw, which I'll do. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, please like and subscribe and not all that sort of business. I'll just show you around how it's all off. That bracket there that holds the mirror, there's only one screw that holds the mirror on, the rest just press in rubbers. Okay, so you just undo that one there off, and then obviously it comes off completely. So there we go. Yeah. Yeah. There's bits and bobs. Yeah. So look inside. Oh. Let's have a look if we can see in there. There's the other one across the way, the other intake there. So, right, well thanks for watching, certainly worth it. Have a good day, thank you.